Well, they're back. You didn't come up here, na idea offer 0302-211-701 up to 4. But you're quite a man, so now, Dr. Amakoba Nedin come on in 2 years under the watch of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. No assessment. Doc fees and cranshaw, and I say, and one to say, Doc, Afishapa, Aquaba, so it was so a gibberish on you, this uncle away. Okay, so and check even your dog while Manasuna
Happy New Year and say good morning. Please wish Richard Osei Ofosuhene of Ghana Immigration Service a liberal happy birthday for me. Way free heart desire be fulfilled. May his heart desire be fulfilled. Nana say wa Kumase and our one or the buy. Also please extend my greetings to Obroni for me. Also he wants to be an assemblyman of Agogo Newtown. Sheila and anyway at the buy. No, so Nana, my heart bleeds when my colleague cop is killed in the course of duty. Please find out whether he was on right protective gear and where exactly the bullets penetrated. Always junior, no or deba no junior rank. They be as neighbor. Say protective gear. And no issue.
Yeah, the mobile.
And no issue. Bulletproof near the no. We see junior ranks. They be now we are maombi. So. Be wa na ye ma o mu bi no ho asem na no wo ka no eno nti apost for nhwe IGP mi twa pro se minim se wo de adwuma de wo bo bi papa nti be hwe ho asem na watumi aka Bella Samuel send messages na
o se di asem
eni ma de kora o se wo se me ye kese ana wo hu ni ye Because what the obi bi ase da no award wo nya
na no
most favorite most favorite I was for the BBS.
Come. Kumasi for actors on president.
I support.
Dr. Wakuba Afishapa.
I think I'm a tweet.
Afisha say.
Afisha say, yeah, I'm gonna for one.
Doc, Namia Adom under the watch of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, 2 years and rather. Na the baby say abrabo no say o kokora na edu baby a utwa nkompo hwe wachi say baby a wakodu no neoma akosi sen ana de na betima ya aka ho His Excellency John Dramani Mahama neoma akosi sen ana neoma be na usen ke say otimi ya ka ho ana obetima ya aka ho
o de akosi de so o kanu kra nkoyi nkwe no de obe ya ka ho de edoso obetima ya aka ho na mom. They say I get in because a day was all ye come on is Yasika and a Sikasu, a Binigo. And just as they say, no, Sikani was ano, Ubia said, Ubenya Casade. Near promises to Casade na no cre. Casadani no cre. No, the here say. Because a Bibia baby is Cassette. And our economy near by the say, this is big money we are talking about. Okobobo say na odi abitua eka. Wage bill kakaka. Nti one them say yi ni pedie di. Asi e beti so. No one say yemfa obi foforo. Obi frima yemfa yen retisino. That is not enough. Nti no kura na de gosi an say enkoyi.
But kwa enkoyi no ebia na ye wonyina so be pobe ba ko mienu miensa enan bi a ye gina so am yaka se enioma we ntie sinti no ama nioma mu ayere tan yie doko ma nyina so na pobe nan bi a prekopa ye ka se enkoyi sa
bo nine every just say and yet aban in your shoe the way I want yet in your man is uncoordinated. In fact, one example, they say a mobile circle interchange. It helps a traffic jam, but I don't think that it will make too much difference. So, because if we can issue circle interchange, how far is it going to go? It's just that small circle area, hollow pet, and a better some you can create. But that is big money. So, it would be it does not give you a big dividend. So, that's the almost spend away, and even Kaswapo. So, if they decided to say, they better build the Kumasi to Accra Road, they better build the dual carriage. That's just say, the area that you cannot answer. But it will go a long way. Those are the, I'm sure, who's going to do that, and the World Bank, they won't give us the money again. That is why they don't want to do it. But we have to know what is important to us. Now, oh yes, Pansel Kumasi to Accra, do it. Look what the benefits are. The speed of travel, a high transportation, food supply, the speed of travel, what is Accra? We have the dual carriage. It's just opposite traffic, why eliminate it? It's just overtaking a kumlipano, what is Accra? And it's not which who's at the casino. So it is the speed of travel, safety. Now, they too will benefit. So we are waiting to see who say Burkina Faso trucks are echo Burkina name, even Niger. Most of them will start coming through here.
So, Doc, the Akoye is we are not getting our priorities or setting our priorities right, which is
promises in any age, man. No, you can't do that. Yes, you promise. Then Ubana say, who said the identity? Now who say, hey, China mini hold and I mean say anything. If you have a promise, you have never know who says you can't blame which will be a yes idea. You should come back to the people and talk to them. I'm the elect you. And so I'm you what you know, I don't know the cash at your mom. It means you see this is then to say this is you see a polytechnic university. With what money? Just a young Bobusia and I say, how are you going to sustain it? Now, what are you going to do? And you say, yeah, and a good idea. But if you don't do it at the right time, you're creating more problems. So meaning, polytechnic turning into university, existing universities not giving it. These are the questions you have to answer. And son, what I say, a good idea, let's do that this time. I wrote a paper to President Mahama. Say, polytechnics should be tied to the existing universities. And to the polytechnics, that will have the affiliation of that university. And the KNUST, K Poly, Chinyani Poly, UTS, Tamale Poly, Accra Poly, Bhutan, they can join Accra. Those are Cape Coast University. We are the side, just you cut administrative costs. And one system, no time to grow. Now, so who needs idea now? Yeah, university standards, Nankata, low. Polytechnic, what do you think is going to happen? It will be lower. They don't have the infrastructure. They don't have the personnel. How are you going to do all of these answers you have to have before you start it?
But Doc, who raise critical issues, especially relating to our educational sector? Does it mean that administrators of and our managers of this economy, the link from the realities on the ground, and as a NIPA, I did feedback in terms of information, they are not telling them the realities on the ground?
Well, I don't know what is going on. I don't really know what is going on. But at the end of the day, part of it is incompetence. Because if you take people who cannot think systematically, now they almost two key positions and important areas like this, you're just asking for big trouble. And you see, here and so if it is capacity now, or expanding polytechnic now, it won't make any difference. Because almost so they don't have that space. If you that capacity there, just what also I'm building. If that is the case there, and then I won't build the university order or university order down. Why don't you expand those areas? It doesn't make sense to me. Except that a political gimmick. I don't know. Say, yeah, this is done to forestall possibility of POTA going on strike again. But the people that President won, it says that when you tie the polytechnics to the university, it means to say polytechnic teachers, they enjoy the same benefits as the university teachers.
You two animal as Omaya, 2 year air painting 2 animal, and I say, here. As on my idea, there come as 21 among you two. Immediately.
2 million and a 2 million and a You see, I know can say free SHS. Don't get me wrong. Free SHS is good. So when you free university, but do you have the means to do it? Anything that could be said US grad, they don't talk about free SHS, a free university. They are moving towards associate degree, which is 2 years a university education. So now you need the means. They say, I know, because Northern Region director say, Northern Region in Kwan here, 7,500 trained teachers. Trained teachers. Then there are some schools be over, no trained teacher there. So now, if we have this need, Northern Region Kwan, why would you go and start free education? Say concern me say nipedi wo ho a almost school fees in Tinkorani Tifietia. Then identify those people and help them. That's the kind of way. Now, what to me, I improve education, but when you have all these problems and that form boom and one more church reform, now how is it going to work?
Doc, ma ye musa adie we actually pabdo do na adwene ache mebusa se ebi no susu se ye de esese nya bia as oman nanso ye kan kɔ ne mpuntuo ne ya sentena mu yidie no wan hwe ka me se ye chiri kwa ane ye kɔ how ne pote ni bi ni de wo hen enti a odomankoma achade pii aga na we ye da so gina de gina yi
oh adwene no mean ka say ye nim nyansa na bom ade a yesia no say modernization enya ye so ye traditional way no would you share around say the ya na nanom say no mu sitiri ha no ansa na abrofo no ba no and say be a ye ko enya ye dia eti you see ye share ni ye tiasia na fe ye utiasia wetimi adane no kakra na boa wo ye tiasia yes, entertain, you have to do first things first. One channel resources, to the areas that will benefit you the most. Oh, and then you are. How much money would you have to make things work? It's just say you are putting the cart before the horse. And yet you want. So I didn't know, and I went there. Government has some education in Japan. Your course school in a read Papa and you mean why? You know, but later on, I thought that this is not how education is supposed to be. They will to me memorize the things now or recite the things. Maybe and they are not than a sophisticated parent. So, then mom so that they are children open here. Yet the crumha or science, they don't live like scientists. So I say, science, they don't live like scientists. Okay, if you any crooked face and qua. Now they do that they are strict. It's just a science, a minimum or degree, but I didn't change it. It's not internalized. So that is the problem. And the education, we have to change it from primary all the way up. In Quran, to me, Kayakini. Akurakos, Ofia, only 24 Kasa, won't mean Kawakini, won't mean this question. Now, I don't want to say.
Yantiti no so ka ho ana
ni na ka ho e ka ntiti no utifie mu a utifie kesiem abusuafo nyina ho e bia uti ukrom obi animu enti se akora pa abonte a usro ema no wo ye bone a obi betia no ni wo fa se ni se obi be kasa kire ni se se de sitie wonni wo yire ne wo 2.5 children na motimu beti then ti se sa situation no a obi fofo bia ni ho. So one kasa wabusia for once a man ma better woman. Yet you can have many people busia for muda. It's your friend. Now kasa instill some values in the child. No matter what can and we are dear new sem these things now they are needing wa pemino no obi boprum kan aka tro wan so kan jezo ni ho utwa ko fi samo no so shedi. That is what is going on, and yet just government and yet just school a fears come.
Dr. Makoba no pay you better was but the crack no these critical two areas are where your attitude and education the entirety of the country ufi said 2015 major achievements ben as ye na etimi adwa ko benkroma ese se ba yafa
any achievement in the issue, yes, you share sustainability. Somebody are buying public media, and there also from now to the end of the year. And no cry, yes. So what you said, GM before master agitated, say more consensus, a buying has not resolved it. And in America, proactiveness, the government should talk to these groups ahead of time. That may advise President Mahama, and that this Christmas, before the end of the new year, I will invite all the stakeholders, dinner with the president. How about that? Dinner with the president. Sit down with them. Talk to them. Frankly, sincerely. Now, yes, sir, they have gotten to know you. It makes it a bit easier for them to have goodwill for you. This is more of the same.
Well,
she said, no imagination. That is the problem.
Adope, Dr. Makoba, I better was more official.
That's right,
okay, so that's it.
Dinner, I mean, Papa.
So, also dinner, no. Sanka, also GMF, my prompt is my prompt on the tier, before I will enter 2015. Kakbrunya muhona na new year muhona ntempano
anybody did you
na essence but that opportunity say obetimi aka na come as they say Mr. President woni yakwa back and forth say ehunhwi na president so anya sa akonya na kase ne kura na wo so kan de ebo me tutu nyoma wadaroma mami akosi
na nyamukuro ya na asemba na odena no kotumbia mo se munya ma ministers ne adwuma
say akonya na beto ne afi busumi na sa bubunya
busu
advantage of that Ghana ye na di tumi ahye is excellent John Dramani na dina no
na no enya hampa
dina no enya no so twede kakara de na
enya hampa money
ufa wine ko so wo yima no de
enya hampa money
na say anya hwe oni ni pa hia e ma no ye de o ma o
ni baba e
onya ho be hia oni Ghana de sie be hia oni ya yi be hia
ni pa ben
is a president in quarter festive season quarter sa
enti ni pa ben a
oni bi hia e me bi koji mu Ghana empire bi 0302 21701 up to 4. No.
Agbiado nko no.
0302 21701 up to 4.
2 p.m. assemblyman or assemblyman or Mamponzongo is was say Omampagini 2 years Omampagini Mampon the ensure busu sa ensure basa wa and until long live Mahama 2 p.m.
there by Gazago what about say yeah me Adom Omai ni tia onela na
yeah Joseph
Omai maminchia me DC kama bechimishe na Mr. Kofiada Omai Dr. Barright Bakasai pa if we say the Susie Krompa or country is excellency the president organize a dinner for these groups now a bit me abba building relationship with His Excellency the President. These strikes and agitations need to me and level down. And sometimes you talk about attitude. Say you bit me cry and may you fear you when you are in the house, you are not there. These attitude, these sentiments, no, it's me many parts me cry if you say yes, as a citizen, Diana, His Excellency the President should do. The rest is invested on that. It is an imperative on that. Say, yes, so as a citizen, no, yes, some people will access His Excellency the President and say, yeah, it's beyond average. You know, say the economic challenges confronting us are bigger for His Excellency the President. But to me, Accra, Ghana, about the G20, yes, support on the Ghana, and when Ghana is bright, under His Excellency the President.
Yo, Emmanuel Sakwa yes, what you made the pa na emom or pa assemblyman in Newtown electoral area. Agogo Asante Achimiti
ko na wa unu that Alex
yo that Alex Akwaba Asante Mampong Ka so MP
na what would you say
na me ashrai papa
yeah do say dia ponya ko
enya kura ntise pede
be ba to say
enya kura ntise pede
aja bende yugu yo wai
na di na no nya wo bebe bi wa ho
ai kwa ho Yeah, video no idea. Let's have a mobile mobile suit, my dear Moody. I feel when you name say another dedication.
Fina, Yankasa.
I am watching me. I had one multimedia name, Wankasa Mumu.
Amen.
Now, I feel may at the expectation every president to say, Yanko Babua now, which Nyaye, at a Tony Maka Kraka. When we say Ghana more than a but put you must so cost over be papa. Na say me fa me ankwanta kwai no me hwe de wi o masia gu kwai no so pa nya sem keto me so hwe woni ma cha hwe ti se anopa bia mi gaya hon ma ko nyina ko hwe mani no ma o tra obo ase kwai na me ankwanta ko ayi wona enye tuma keto na papa e ko ase asa no akose kos na papa na egbo tuma papa
kwabena so mo
o de wan ya
kwabena o so mo wa fa ho so okodi mo ho nti wo hu
wa ho say no kra na anya no kre
wo say no kre
thank you now is over me transfer the over to money pa me that's be me ala
okay so nana fa me
gizo wa ma so gizo akwa sepeti mpom
Hey, Gizo. Mesro. Gizo. What for na ya so. Gizo. So the oben o Gizo, you careful. Obi kwaje mu o sakra bi.
Kwase tum le ma me mo. Kwase tum na mama mo. Gizo. Oh. Me se kwase tum. Ana pola foko maya mo, me ni anu nyina na yakwaje ye ne anwa.
Oh. Sama ni na sana ukero ile na mama. Oyi na ya me ya. Obaje ka ja ro batra se yo ja.
Oh, right.
Ana da kono ewu afoko ni pedifo na wodi say demra isi bua tijem adi amada etutie chew ina ana bare ma safo twini bua ko dia ne seka ko ma hene ana su jem pa ko na basu pa butuju ba odi ba no na de ka ni say mepo ewura Dr. Amakuba ana friend say
Amakuba
political science lecturer at the Yale University. But I had the one.
No correct.
What a pass papa. When we put money to any campo. So, kind of credit said yet, yes. Then you will be a something pediatric. What I know, ostrich. That and cut the house in them take and I'm doing it. So, you have to hit the nail right on the head. Not 2 years, you know. I put a sample because at a miss we are also in no. I can't 2 years in the home. And I got a constitution. So, Kabuka Sama Penny, 8 years. And also, because at a miss we are not sure, or swear as president of the state. And this 8 years in one. Or inflicted law, no. And when I'm a mother woman, NBC to NBCO. And it's 6 years. And I'm a penny, you know. And see my penny, I'm out for 2 years, you know. You're still got 8 years, and yes, sir, and Mara Mugo Kanye said. I'm a period of Mahama, 3 to 2. I'm a mono, I didn't some.
Okay.
And that's all or indecisive. And then of one, we can't afford this time to waste our vote for indecisive leader to lead us and rule the nation.
All right.
The way a man of law, I'm a money yet. What's my
that's it. I don't
Kwakuti water credit.
Okwadisa dana.
O say. Why Gizo?
Gizo.
Okwai.
Adisa dana.
Adisco. Kepos. Twem fi sepeti mpome. Zero 30222
Nanu ye mu kwa je mu no u se e do de wa be class se mu kwa je mu wa foko wa ja
no o ji bi frasi
ye u se de wa ndi onu kwa ko
chocolate ne be kai wo be bai
ni onu kwa ko wa fa wa ko wo mu wa fa wa ko wo ti wo ka wo ye
Attention, look my attention. Hey, parlez-vous et c'est vous la concorsant. C'est vous la concorsant.
Benadamoni, Minister of Crabba, Mencha, Sarema Safo to the Buakubia, Kumu Mahine. And your piano, and to Kumu from piano. Nabapano better them put to Juma, Abakume, Nana Nana or Jay Kwame Katia, one to see a Mahine, one to see a Mahine or a Manso Coupon, one so Memana Chepa, with tea program and life. I see what is so much. Nana, yay. Utie sama Dr. Amwako Babekaya. No question, ye papano. Say, no, see, Calais, way and now, Baba Casawa Senpai, which are a net. And now let you go for supply best of panel. And so, Nede Okai, only Papa, and so see Calais, see a team sama. A bit more manner for us at the okay, Sankayo Mampania, like a beer that could be Usa or Mampania Nakofo, and or Mampania Tames, yeah, when in the Belbico. Usa Mampania Massano, the way year piano, when no friend was sent to no Yamaba, no more a Casadia Channel question, where the Antesau. Or Coco Baby or Coco Traflas Honoma, no friends and Johnny Bacope, no about any interview, and about my son and Sancho or anyone in the year. What you are saying, Nina account self to wear Dr. Mako Badiamano. No, some about Buano, I'm a Momona in a person to when I told to Pona de Coye, Nifim, you do Omoyon and Coye, and that's it. Ghana say,
yeah, that's it. I'm a Kumba, the Nanya Central for no come. Stakeholders. And I brought Aquaba.
Major also, I buy him.
Yeah, okay.
You make us the blues camp.
Yes. Chelsea. And they want to say, Aquano, a Tietia Bido or Bobo or Bassano. Yes, who was Susu or Pessoa about Chelsea? Oh, the episode about Chelsea. Well, Susa.
Oh, the episode, because Chelsea is Papa.
Madame. Won't come, Medase.
Mammy Chamia, Madame Fupa, I keep down there. MC, Professor Jabba for me, Channel Bar, move boy, my own when she. SS will be assembly man, Charon also. No, my check high school, or also the general assembly man, the better Abaman. Many of the questions say, Professor Ghana calling him, or Ghana, I Professor Ghana calling him. One side of Panamoka will be quite the baby edge or so, but Ghana is Subaya, and yet, say Ghana, my Bacono. Uber can you move the other question to baby no, so. Well, can you move your nose, just over or do at them? But then, yet, a same mind, be a television, but you so come and tell a Ghana, because I'm a.
I say, I like to tank see I am not touching my name, I said, and Koshi Mano. And I'll say, and I beg you, snap a picture with this and send it to me. I am my wife.
You're found to if you have no your friends, you're man of Fisher.
The what a triple. Praso.
Okay.
For Praso. I pay your friend saying, a family.
Anna, your young corner.
It's Yana Pa.
Nana, H. Nana.
Your man, an interview better times so.
Senate, Titiana, Crocran, Titiana.
And then the Kumasi Congress.
It was a Senate,
a Congress, nothing.
There be Senate a Mency Cratchy. I will brandy share not touch my Mency Cratchy, we brandy me, come, man, paying one a Mency Cratchy. Every touch my. Messi catch a cone fiona.
And no one here, Cosiano.
There be a Samuel Butchi, or no, Brema, a Sicmo, the Ben Braqua. And no, my fool, as you were a sing.
As no no, Bakuno, yet one more buy and 10. No,
okay, we are saying candy is here. The Messi catch of was on bomb day.
I know the amount 100 Ghana or 30 May. No. And I would you Pamela. There's something some now who making.
You see her, you try how many black we acquire, a best to us, Manu Eco Yimika, Madame.